Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want. Black.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Yeah, my bad. I wonder where Lucy could have gone.
Roy, listen up! Pull Mr. Musty after I free his wheels from the bridge. All right!
My name is Tayo. Where do you live? Oh, go.
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Starting to think I might never meet you.
The Sistine Chapel on wheels.
I'm coming for you, Storm.
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
fuel. Tell you what, I'll give you guys a head start. You're gonna need it.
Later, loser.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to...
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School.
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat it.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Bust my buffers! That noise was very funny.
Oh, baby, bring it out! Bring out the Piston Cup! Ka-chicka! Ka-chicka! Yeah! Now
Well, she had a great teacher. And now you get...
McQueen, is everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly...
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
olmaz. O zaman neden dinleniyor ha?
Çünkü nelerin önemli olduğunu biliyor. Arada bir şöyle ağırdan alıp hayatı...
Costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
What a...
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya hoy suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Of course. All in all, must be finished for good.
Förloraren blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell.